How many tests must a residential energy storage system pass to prove its safety and reliability? At Huawei FusionSolar, reliability begins at the source. With uncompromising quality control for every single cell, our industry-leading purification technology delivers deep, thorough cleaning to each cell, leaving zero room for error. Advanced visual detection captures even micron-level defects, ensuring impeccable cleanliness. We achieve unparalleled accuracy in cell stacking by continually pushing the boundaries of industry benchmarks. Every component is assembled with intelligent precision, meticulously controlled for seamless integration. Our 7-layer golden welding process, perfected through relentless innovation, delivers flawless welds every single time. From micro measurements to macro performance, we ensure safety without compromise. Every energy storage unit undergoes rigorous testing. Only the best passes our scrutiny. Only the best reaches your hands. With traceable cells and rigorous quality control across the board, we confidently empower numerous families